Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to find your Binance story. The first step you need to do is go to the Binance app and you need to start your session in the Binance account. And after that you need to go to the option of wallets. So in wallets you need to pick here in a spot. For example, when you pick in wallet, you got the page here in overview, but you need to pick here in a spot, and here in a spot you see this option, and in the right side of the total balance we have this option of the clock, and that's it. You have your story in deposit, withdraw, buy, sell, of your story of your operations in the app is here in this option. So this is the process. It's an easy process to do. Remember, you go to the initial page. You need to pick in wallet, and in a spot you need to pick here in the right side of the total balance, in here button of the clock, and you got all the installed. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like